To some office workers, herbal tea is an essential office supply, and they are deemed as a healthy alternative to plain water. In this video, we introduce 2 herbal tea recipes that you can brew on your own. Rose and peppermint tea is the perfect beverage during break time from your hectic work schedule. Rose can help to increase blood circulation, while peppermint can clear and calm the mind. The ingredients include dried rose petal buds and fresh peppermint leaves. You can also add some honey to taste. In a cup, add 300 milliliters of hot water to the dried rose petal buds and steep for 5 to 8 minutes. Add peppermint leaves and steep for another 2 minutes. Strain and add some honey if desired. Cool the tea and drink it warm. The second recipe is a popular herbal tea, Wolfberry and Chrysanthemum tea. If your job requires you to stare into a computer screen for long periods of time, this tea is for you. Both wolfberries and chrysanthemum are traditionally used in treating eye conditions. They can help to reduce eye fatigue and dryness. Ingredients include wolfberries and dried chrysanthemum buds. Rock sugar can be added for taste. In a cup, add 300 milliliters of hot water to the wolfberries and chrysanthemum. Cover with a lid and steep for 15 minutes. Strain and add some rock sugar if desired. Drink warm. Do note that both teas are not recommended for daily consumption, as they contain some herbs that are cooling in nature. Limit consumption to 1 cup 2 to 3 times a week. They are also not suitable for individuals with weak digestion and those who are prone to passing loose stools.